Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a rootkit scan with Avira free antivirus. So rootkits are really nothing new, but generally speaking, a rootkit allows a third-party intrusion onto your computer that will install tools, keyloggers, whatnot that will allow them to gain access to your computer. So just going to show you guys how to run that scan in Avira. It's a separate scan from the other scans, so you just want to run a dedicated rootkit scan. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So open up Avira free antivirus and then select the security tab and then select virus scans, scan your device for viruses. Select where it says manage scans, go select the open button, and then select where it says rootkit scan, select the little play button to run the scan now. Just give it a moment here to start. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Alright, there we go guys. Scan has finished. Did not find anything, which is good. So pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.